Right, buddy, you ready?
Yeah.
Well, what are you doing?
My gun's jammed. Hold on.
I thought you were thought you lived in Tennessee. Aren't you supposed to be good with guns? Oh, enemy spotted! I don't know how I missed.
Cut it out. I'll cut that out.
Oh, I saw him.
Oh my God! Put it out of its misery. Oh no! Get up!
Okay.
You might be gay, but I'm still gonna pick you. Just cut that out.
Come on, move up one position. One eternity later.
He's still stupid.
Oh, what the crap? How'd I get this? Ugh.
No.
Hey!
No.
Oh, found them.
Oh. I'm in it.
You deserve it.
Friendly fire.
Okay, he's moving up. Don't shoot. I'm still alive. Aw, come on. What kind of game is this? You know what? I'm done with this game. You know what? Might as well just end the series now. Gonna take this gun.
Hey, yo, bruh.
Don't.
Bruh.
I'm going down here.
Bruh.
No.
Bruh.
Nope. No.
Bruh.
No.